Those Sora2 Ring Doorbell videos are going viral right now, and creators are earning from them every single day. Here's how you can make your own in 1 minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Video prompt. First, while you're scrolling through YouTube, find a Sora doorbell video you really like. Take a screenshot of it, then head over to ChatGPT. Upload the screenshot, describe the video you just watched, and ask ChatGPT to come up with a similar video idea and generate a text-to-video prompt for you. If you're satisfied with the prompt, simply copy it. If not, provide ChatGPT with detailed feedback and have it generate a new one for you. Step 2. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 3. Text to video. Once you open Edimakor, head over to the media section and choose text to video under AI video. You'll see a variety of models to choose from. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the latest Sora2 model. It offers exceptional physical accuracy, realism, and controllability. Now, paste the prompt you just got from ChatGPT into the text box. Choose your duration, pick your aspect ratio, and then click Generate. That's the power of Sora. Creating a video like this takes just 1 minute. It looks so real, as if it actually happened right under a doorbell camera. Step 4. Create a ranking video. Move on to the next step. We're going to take the AI-generated clips and turn them into a viral YouTube ranking video. Once you've gathered plenty of funny Sora videos, upload them to Edimakor and drag them all into the timeline. Next, let's add a title. Something like Top 5 AI Ring Doorbells or Ranking Sora AI Doorbell Animals. Then, create 5 text clips for the rankings. Give each one has a different color, and here's a tip. We don't usually go in order, so have them appear in a random sequence. Now for the fun part. If you've watched other ranking videos, you'll notice they always wrap up each clip with a funny moment or comment. So we're gonna do the same. Watch your clips and come up with a short, funny line for each one. Finally, add some background music or sound effects, and you're done.
The sun goes down and the city sleeps. It's time for after hours bebop.
And the best part? Videos like this can bring you impressive traffic and revenue across multiple platforms. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.